Hi, this is Jenny with Simply Beautiful Crafts on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to tackle a wreath that's one of my favorite subjects, camping. This wreath is going to hang inside of our camper. What you want to do is take your wreath and your ribbon. I chose an outdoorsy color of green, also happened to be up in the bargain bin. And you want to weave your ribbon through your wreath. If you wrap it around 1.5 to 1 1/4 times, you'll know about how much ribbon you need if you want to cut it first. You want to start behind a joint and go in and out, going over a joint every time, then your ribbon will come out evenly. Continue going around your wreath till you get to the end. When you come to the end, turn your wreath over. Lay a bead of hot glue right down the joint. Put your ribbon on there, hold it till it's cooled, cut it off. You want to make sure that you put everything on right where you want it, because with a hot glue gun, if you take it off while it's cool, it will take the finish off of the pretzel. I found a package full of buttons of all different kinds, and I also found stickers in the scrapbooking section. And I like to put things behind like this as well as in front, because it really does give it more of a depth and more of a 3D effect. So the stickers went back here, and then the buttons I just laid around, decided where I wanted them, moved them around several times till I got them the way I wanted. Then I also made a bow out of the ribbon, put it on the bottom and put the little bear on it so that I would have the balance, and I knew where my top and my bottom were. Then you take your button, your hot glue, spread the glue around on it, or put it on the pretzel itself. Stick it in the spot, let it get cool. Go ahead and put them all around. And when you're finished, you want to put something on the back to hang it with. I like to use the same ribbon just to keep the consistency, but you can also put a piece of wire across the back. So happy trails to you as you have fun making your camping wreath.